The threads of karma. We're going to do a reading. These are some beautiful cards. Okay, the threads of karma. These cards are pretty awesome. They really do give us a deep dive into what particular lesson we are learning right now, right here in this moment, eliminating past and future so that we can focus on the moment. What karmic lesson are we learning right now in this moment? Align with your higher path. The more you align with your soul's truth, the less resistance you'll face. Flow with purpose, not pressure. Look at that. So align with your higher path. The more you align with your soul's truth, the less resistance you'll face. That's very good. You know, I just recently came into contact with some beautiful aspect of myself that had been sort of at me for a very long time. And I was in complete rejection of this aspect, not really, doing what, I do what I do. I'm really into the complexities and psychological aspects of each and every individual that I come into contact with. And it's really easy for me to identify conflict in another person and to be able to stand back and really look at the glory in that individual and to see where they align in their evolution. But for myself, I don't really have somebody to evaluate what I'm doing. And even if I did, being in the position I'm in, I may be in resistance in a very subtle way. So for me to come into contact and identify something that puts me into perfect alignment and really revitalizes me and stepping out of that resistance, I mean, my God, I've seen miracles within myself by embracing that thing that I was rejecting, causing me to get into perfect alignment. So really think about, what does it look like to get on your higher path, and what are those very subtle nuisances that are just at you all the time, trying to push you in the right direction that you're completely ignoring? So really deep dive into this today and recognize what you're doing that doesn't bring you joy and what you could do that you know will bring you joy but requires a little bit of work, okay? So this is a great deck. Look at the back of the card. Beautiful deck. I highly recommend it. It really does cause you to deep dive a little bit deeper. I love you.